that? What is that? Hello, hello, Nam.
What?
Where is Jang? I'm asking where is Jang? Did you know where
That
is
is,
Jang? Hmm?
yes, that is not in this Zoom.
Oh, where is Jang? I will just drink water.
Um, in the in 6:50
6:50?
59 minutes.
Uh-huh.
In 6:59 minutes, I sit down.
Ah, you see Jang earlier. Really?
Wait, yes.
Oh, oh, okay. Okay. So before starting our lesson, Nam. So it's welcome again to our class for today. And oh, there is Jang. I think this one is Jang. Hello, Jang. Good evening
Thôi
to
bác, vừa lấy câu vào Zoom nào đấy bác? Vừa lấy câu vào Zoom này á? Nào ơi, bác vừa lấy câu vào Zoom nào?
he used the different Zoom.
Yes.
Ah, really? Ah, that's why. Okay, because this one is not our original schedule, so we will use a different Zoom. Okay, so for this one, Nam and Jang, before we start our new lesson, so I just want to ask the both of you, how are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Wow. How about Jang?
I'm
How are
fine,
you?
thank
Wow, very good. Very good to the both of you. So, did you already eat your dinner today? Both of you? Did you already eat dinner or no?
I don't.
Ah, you still don't. How
Oh,
about Jang?
I eat in 8 o'clock.
Ah, you will eat 8 o'clock. How about Jang? Did you
I,
already eat?
my mom, my mom is cooking. I'm not,
I not?
yes.
You
I,
will, you haven't eat your dinner?
teacher, why no. But we learn in a Friday. I want learn in Thursday.
I don't know why. I think because I was told that you will learn today and you cannot attend yesterday. Yeah, I don't know why. Did you do anything yesterday?
What? Yes.
Did you do anything yesterday? That's why we did
Yes.
not have a class. Ah, okay, that's why.
Rồi
Okay.
tao phải lấy câu vào du nào mà tớ thấy câu đấy.
Huh? Yes, English. Teacher cannot understand. Okay. So now are you both ready for our lesson for today? Are you both ready?
Yeah, I have
Because I
food in my face.
Are you both ready? Because I prepared many bamboozle for you to be able
Okay.
to apply your learnings in this lesson. So for this lesson, our new lesson is all about on and
On in
under. Okay, very good. On and under. So for
under
the
under the poop. No,
under the poop.
no.
Okay. So we will learn today about the preposition on and under.
It's
So
the poop.
so when we say preposition, Nam and Jang. So preposition are the words that we use to describe or we use to describe where is something. Like for example,
It's
uh,
surprise. It's surprise.
it's a okay. I will show you some example. So I have here.
Teacher, do you know scratch?
Do you know what?
Scratch?
What is scratch?
I can spell.
Okay, spell. Write it in S.
Oh, teacher, can
Huh?
I chat? Can I chat? For S
Okay.
for Superman.
Okay. Chat, chat. You can chat. Okay, faster, faster. Done? Finish?
Yes, I finished. Teacher,
Scratch. What's that? Is it a game? Is it a game?
teacher,
What is a
6, 7.
6-7? You have a lot of 6-7, huh?
It's not
Oh,
6, 7. It's baby 6, 7.
what is scratch, Nam? Is it a game? Game?
No. You type in Google.
And
What?
that?
I don't know. Oh, it's not game.
Oh, what is it all about?
Um,
Um, I saw it. It's a game.
you can I see?
Okay, I will show it to you, but very quick, very quick.
Roblox. Yes.
Oh, these are
This.
games. Ah,
Teacher, can now look black?
a Roblox?
Yes.
You want to play Roblox later?
Do you know black?
Yeah, I know. I play Roblox. Okay. Okay, so Nam and Jang. So I will teach you about the prepositions, two preposition that we will learn today. So I have here my tablet, and I have a marker. Okay. So when we use the preposition on, so we will put the marker on the top of the tablet. So we will say the marker is on the tablet. Okay, so meaning it is on the top of the tablet or iPad. Okay. And if I put it below. So right now, the marker is under the tablet. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Do you understand?
No.
No?
Teacher, look at me. Look at
Yes.
me.
Huh? Where are you?
I I am here.
I am here.
Yes.
There's many numbers in the chat. Okay, so again, so for example, this box. This is a box. So if I put it on top, or the marker on top,
It's on.
huh?
Teacher.
Yeah,
Teacher is behind the box.
yeah,
Teacher
very
is
good.
behind the box.
Very good. That is also another preposition behind.
And
The,
the pen is oh
is it
the
a pen?
the
Marker?
box the box is between teacher.
Between?
No,
No, it's not between, because when we say between, for example, I have here two markers. Okay, two markers. So where is the box now?
the box is between.
Uh, on? The
The
box is
teacher
between because there are two markers beside
between the monkey.
the monkey. Okay, so that is our preposition on and under. So now let's learn more about our different kinds of prepositions.
Teacher,
Okay.
the micro is on
Huh?
the micro is on the right, teacher.
The?
The micro
A microphone.
the poop is
Microphone?
the poop is on the poop.
Ah, the poop is on the poop. Okay, again, let's say microphone. Not microphone.
Or poop.
There is no poop. Where is the poop?
Oh, the monkey has many poop in his body.
It's his skin color, not poop. You are
Oh,
so
it's many brown. Look like a poop.
many brown. Okay, so let's watch a video that we have about the prepositions that we will learn today.
I want to play Scratch.
No, later. You can play
Where's the
after the
monkey?
class.
Where is it? Where is it? In the box.
In the box.
In the box. Where's the bird? Where is it? Where is it?
Now,
On the tree.
on the tree.
On the tree. Where's the snake?
In the tree,
Where
not
is it? Where
inside.
is it? Under the rock.
Under the rock.
Under the rock.
Under the poop.
Under
In
the
and under.
on in under.
Yeah.
On the right.
Where's the apple? Where is it? Where
Where's
is
the
it?
apple?
In the box.
In the box.
In the box.
The poop.
Where's the carrot? Where is it? Where is it? On the
On
chair. On the chair.
The
Where's the
potato.
pumpkin? Where is it? Where is it?
Under
the
the
bench.
Under
Under the bench.
the pumpkin.
Under the pumpkin.
In.
No.
And under. Great. Where's the book? Where is it? Where
On
is
the
it?
table.
On the desk.
On the desk.
On the desk.
Sorry, it's on the
Where's the
desk.
pencil? Where is it? Where is it?
What's that?
In the box. In
No,
the
Okay,
box.
And
Where's the
the
ruler?
teacher on
Where
the
is it?
right,
Where is
the
it?
chair.
Huh? What did you say?
I can see teacher on the right of the chair.
On the right of the chair? Where?
I see teacher under. I see teacher under the poop.
I'm on the chair because I'm sitting on the top of the chair.
I see it sitting on the poop.
You are sitting on the poop? Okay. So now let's learn more about of our prepositions on and under. So I think you have a prior knowledge about this one, but let's still read.
On
Okay.
the house.
Very good. The monkey. Okay. Let's try to make it in a sentence. So what is this? What animal is this?
It's a cuckoo gaga.
Gugu Gaga. Okay, let's say the Gugu Gaga is on the house. Okay, where is the Gugu Gaga?
Ah, it's on that.
It's on the house because as we can see, so it's on the top of the house. So we will use the preposition on. Next picture. What preposition do we use? What preposition? What preposition?
Cuckoo gaga.
Where is the Gugu Gaga?
This.
Oh, you're so bad to your brother, huh? Okay, now where? In the picture, can you describe where is the monkey in the picture?
The monkey is under the chair.
Okay, very good. The monkey is under the chair. Next.
No, I can see. I can see. I can see Dang is under teacher and teacher is on Dang. And teacher is on the poop.
Oh, you're so bad, huh? Okay, I can see Nam under teacher and Jang is under Nam. Yeah. Jang is under Nam and Nam is under teacher. Okay.
Nam is under the poop.
Okay, so next, how about this monkey? Where is the monkey?
The monkey is under Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
You see the Lamborghini.
The Lamborghini is so small. Is that a Lamborghini?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So it's okay as long as you use the correct preposition, which is on. Okay, next. Where's the monkey?
The monkey is under the ghost.
Under the ghost? Huh?
No, the monkey is in the bedrooms.
In the bedrooms? Many bedrooms?
Bedrooms.
Okay,
Bedroom.
very good. Bedroom. The monkey is when we describe someone that is inside the bedroom, so we will use the preposition in. So you are correct, Jack. So the monkey
No,
is in the bedroom. And in
no,
this and in this picture, the monkey is under the desk.
under the poop.
Under the,
Do
if,
you know this car?
can I see? I cannot see it much. No. What kind of car is that?
I don't know.
You
I
don't know
can
also? There is no name under? No
I
name
can see. No.
on the box. There is
I
no
can
name on
see.
the box. Huh?
Yes.
What are you doing? Is it Lego? I know it's not a Lego. Hot Wheels. Is it a
No.
hot? No.
Mama,
It's
it's a McLaren.
a McLaren. It's a McLaren car. It's a poop. Do you have a car, Jang? Do you-
I don't have.
I don't have.
My mom. No, it's not my car. My poop.
It's not your car. Jang is starting to look like a poop to me. You are always saying poop.
Dad.
Okay. So let's go back. Let's go back. Okay. So this.
Back to the
Huh?
bedroom.
Huh?
Bedrooms.
Bedroom?
BACK R
B.
double O M
Ah, I know. You watched this movie? Have you watched
Yes.
this one? Did
Yes.
you watch this movie? This is scary movie.
Can know?
Yeah, I know this movie, but I haven't watched it yet.
Did you know Hello Kitty here one night?
I also know that, but we don't need to watch it in here because it's bad.
Tita, do you know Hello Kitty here one on
Yeah.
year 119? I know.
I know that because I watched that before.
Equals 6, 7. Give me the Hello Kitty.
6, 7.
Teacher. Give me the Hello
Yeah.
Kitty.
Why are you watching things like that? Nam, it's bad. It's bad for you.
Oh, I don't know. My brother.
Your brother makes you watch it?
My
I will say it to your mother.
No. Say the bedrooms.
Back rooms. In Roblox, it has a back rooms. It has a
It's
game
in
about
Minecraft
back
too.
rooms.
It's in Minecraft too.
In Minecraft, really? Oh, I haven't
Yeah.
played Minecraft before. Right now, I don't play Minecraft.
Teacher, what is this?
I cannot see. You're hiding it in the camera.
Do you know?
I don't know. I cannot see.
I can see the poop in
Is it a camera? I can see poop in Jang's pants. You pooped, huh? Okay. So let's go back. Let's go back to our lesson. Your watch. Is it your watch?
No.
Huh? Whose watch is that? Is it your brother's?
No.
No? Who
I
Whom is
see
that?
it. Teacher is 6, 7. Oh.
Huh?
6, 7. 6, 7. My grandma is 6, 7. Oh.
Really? Your grandma is 6, 7 years old.
6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. My grandpa is 1 year old.
1 year old?
Yes.
Your grandma is a baby?
Grandpa.
Grandpa?
Yes.
Huh?
My
Really?
my My baby sister.
You have a baby sister.
Please, I want to know.
What do you want to know? What do you want to know?
I want to learn.
You want to learn. But you're not listening.
My dad is not listening. My dad
Jang is not listening.
2 years old.
Okay, let's
My
go
mom
back.
is 2 years old.
2 years old.
My
What's
sister,
that? Can I see?
my sister is 5 years old.
I cannot see. What's that? What's that?
It's a puzzle.
Eh? It's a puzzle? How do you do that?
Teacher, in my room.
In your room.
Room it is street.
Street?
It is street dog.
Street dog. Okay, so now let's go back to our lesson because we will still play bamboozle. If we finish. What? I don't know. I don't know.
6, 7.
See, 6, 7. Okay. So now let's go back to our lesson. We will not be able to finish. Huh?
And teacher has look black.
Yeah, I have.
Teacher has 3 flies.
What?
3
What's-
flies.
What's that?
I'm in a chat.
Are you okay? Chat quickly. Then after that, we will continue the lesson. Faster, faster. Faster. We only have 37 37 minutes. Faster. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Eyes to play. Huh? You want to play? You want to play? We will play after, okay? Is it okay?
Oh, FIFA.
Free Fire? Huh? What is that? Is it in Roblox?
This. Teacher, this.
Can I see?
Oh, no.
Oh, Fifi? What's Fifi?
No.
What's that? Free Fire. Free Fire. What's that, Jang?
Fifi.
What's free fee? What's free fee? I don't understand. Okay.
You know FIFA?
No, I don't know. Is it this one? Is it this movie? This one? This?
No.
Oh, what is it? The Free Guy.
No. Free Fire.
Huh? I don't know. Okay, let's go back to our lesson because we will not be able to finish. Okay, now, can you tell teacher, where is the monkey?
The monkey is on the poop.
On the poop. How about you, Nam? Where is the monkey?
The
Nam.
monkey is on the swing.
Okay, very good. So only Nam got it correct.
The monkey is under the 6-7.
Under the 6-7. How about Nam? Where is the monkey?
Monkey is under the table.
Okay, very good. Very good to the both of you. Next, where's the monkey in this picture?
The monkey is on
On?
on the TV.
On the TV. Where is the TV?
The TV is a monkey.
The TV is a monkey. I can see the TV in Nam's house. Where is Nam? Nam, what did you do? Where did you go, Nam? Okay, so next, where is the monkey? Huh?
The monkey is under the monkey is under the sun.
Under the sun. How about you, Nam? Where is the monkey?
The
There's
under the bed.
oh, under the bed. Very good. Next. Next picture. Where is the monkey?
The monkey is on 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 the
On the
mouse.
on the mouse.
No, on the top.
On the top. How about you, Nam? Where is the monkey?
Or TikTok.
TikTok. Where's the monkey, Nam?
The monkey is on the airplane.
Very good. On the airplane.
Airplane station. On the pillow.
Under the pillow. I put
Under the monkey.
under the monkey. Where is the monkey?
The monkey is on the elephant.
On the elephant.
No, on the poop.
On the poop. You look like a poop now, Nam. Jang. Sorry, Nam. Jang is always saying poop, poop, poop. You look like a poop. Okay, so this one, the monkey is on the fence. On the 6-7. No. No. Next. Oh, Nam is eating. Eat well. Enjoy your food. That's why he is silent.
Under the chicken.
Under the chicken. Okay, so for this one, the monkey is under the umbrella. Next, chicken. Where is the chicken, Jang?
Chicken is an umbrella.
Next, where's the monkey?
The monkey is eating the poop.
Eating the poop. Huh? Do we have a preposition eating?
Yes.
We only have on and under. Okay, so where's the monkey? The monkey is on
the mom.
on the mom.
Yes.
Next, where is the monkey?
The monkey is under
Under
the
under the
police.
under the police. Okay, so next, where's the monkey?
The monkey is on the Russia.
On the Russia. Okay, this one we call it as skate or skateboard. But for this one, the monkey is on the skates. Do you have a skate?
Yes.
Yes. What color is your skate?
My skate is
Hmm?
My skate is blue.
Blue. How about,
Pen has poop. It is brown, like
oh, your
and
skate
now
is brown.
6, 7.
6, 7.
And
Oh,
it has poop. That is blue.
yours is blue, Nam.
No, down.
Jang.
Red.
Did you saw it?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, Jang, you're lying, huh? Okay. So next, where is the monkey?
The monkey is under the tree. Under
Under
the
the
pan.
under the
The pan.
pen?
The pan.
Huh? This one pen? Or this one pen? Under the what? Okay, this
Under the pan.
under the Japan. Okay. Okay, very good. Under the tree. The monkey is under the tree. Oh, okay. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, look at the picture. The monkey is, where's the monkey?
The monkey is under the tree.
Wow, very good, Nam. 1 point for Nam. Under the poop. The monkey is under the tree. And next, where's the monkey?
Do you know this monkey is
Can I? Another car? Is it a Toyota?
the
Toyota?
monkey under the deck.
Under the?
Deck.
Huh? This one?
This.
No, the monkey is under the ball. Again,
No,
let's say
the basketball.
under the ball.
Lucky boy.
The basketball.
The lucky boy.
Lucky boy. Okay,
The
next.
cowboy.
Next one. Where is the monkey? On or under?
The monkey under the umbrella.
Very good. The monkey is under the umbrella. Next. Where's the monkey?
The monkey is on the sick one.
On the sick one. How about you, Nam? Where is the monkey? Where's the monkey?
Is on the airplane.
On the airplane. Very good. On the airplane. So we will use on. Next,
Do you know this? The monkey is under.
What's that?
The monkey is under the namkai. Do you know?
What's that? Is it everybody?
No, it's poop. No. Do you know this?
No, I cannot see it clearly. Is it a test? Test paper? It's starters.
No, it's movie.
It's a movie? Oh, I don't know that. Yes, I don't know that. Okay, so next, so we are close to finishing. Okay, where is the chair? Nam and
The
Jack.
chair is on the monkey.
Okay, very good. The chair is on the monkey. Okay, next. Where is the monkey?
The monkey is under a chair.
Wow, very good. Next, where is the monkey?
The monkey
Is on the
under in the plane.
in the? Is it in? On the plane. Where is the plane?
The plane is under the. No, the plane is on the wheel.
On the wheels, yeah. Yes, very good. So we can use that one. On the wheels. And another one is the plane is under the what? Yes.
Jang eats rice.
Jang eats rice.
I.
Huh? Jang is? Eh,
G-H. G.
G. Jang is high? Yeah. Okay. So for this one, I have a question for the both of you. Should we sit on a plane like the monkey? Should we sit?
No. No.
Why?
Because it's dangerous.
Okay, wait. One by one. So let's start with Nam. Why no?
Because it's dangerous.
Okay, very good. Because it's dangerous. How about Jang? Why yes? Why can we sit?
Because the monkeys die.
Huh?
Because the monkeys rip.
Jang,
It's super big. No, it's die.
super big? No,
Big.
in real life, we cannot sit on the top of the plane because Nam is right. It is dangerous because plane, they
Yes.
fly very high and very fast. So if we sit on the plane, so we will get or we will fall. Okay, so that's why we will sit inside the plane, not on the plane. Next, where is the monkey?
The monkey is under the swing.
Okay, the monkey is under the swing. Where is the swing?
The
Where?
swing is on the monkey.
Very good. And what is the monkey doing?
The monkey is reading a book.
Okay. Do you like to read books? Or do you like reading books?
No.
Ano? How about you, Jang?
I like.
You like? You also like? Very good.
I has 1,000 books.
You have 1,000 books?
No, 100 billion books.
Okay. Next. Can you give me the name of one of your favorite book? What's
My
the
name is Attention.
what? Movers. Yours is movers. How about Chang? What is the name of your favorite food book? But what's the name of your favorite book? Since you said that you have many books. You type. Jang. Movers. Oh. Do you have a lot of books, Nam? Oh, movers. Can I see? What book is that? In Vietnam book, Vietnamese book. Oh, it's Snow White. I can see Snow White.
My name book is Nobel.
No Ben. What kind of book is that?
It is dying.
Huh?
It has 100
100.
156 page.
Oh, really? That's a lot. Wow. Okay. So that's it for your favorite book. So next. Oh, okay. Let's play I Spy. Okay, so you will tell teacher how many oranges, how many grapes, and how many watermelon, and how many. Oh, yeah, I opened the pen. Okay, can you write how many each? And we will count it after. Okay, write your answers. You can use the pen. Hmm?
6, 7.
Okay, next, watermelon. How many watermelon? Okay. This one, we have a lot. Okay, count it all. Okay. Okay, finished now? Finished?
I finished.
Okay, how about Nam? Are you finished? Nam, are you finished? Finished now. Okay. Okay, so let's count first how many oranges are there? How many?
Six. There are six.
There are six. Okay, very good. Correct. How about grapes? How many grapes?
Seven. Seven.
Seven. Okay. Next, watermelon. How many watermelons?
Eight.
Are you sure it's eight?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very good. It's 8. Okay, next. How many peaches?
It's six.
How about Jang? How many? Where is your answer, Jang? Okay, so very good, Nam. So there are 6 peaches. Next, how many strawberries?
3.
How many?
3.
Okay, we can say there are
Three.
3 strawberries. Okay, next. How many kiwis are there?
There are 4.
Very good. There are 4. How many pineapples?
There are 5. 5.
Okay, very good. There are 5. How many cherries?
There are 4.
Okay, very good. So there are 4. So good job. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, this one. So let's answer this activity. So you will choose the correct letter. So what's this? What's the missing letter? Okay, very good. So fast, Chang. Okay, let's read the okay. So answer first, and let's read the whole sentence. Okay. So what's this? Very good. Next,
Oh, a bike.
it's a it's.
A bike. A car.
Let's read the whole sentence.
It's a ball. It's a bike. It's a car. It's a computer game. It's a door.
Okay, very good. So good job. So very easy, very easy. Okay, next. So let's have a listening game. And you will put a check if
Listen.
yeah, we will listen.
Okay.
Okay, let's listen. Wait, let me just.
Part 3.
Can you hear?
Look at the pictures.
Yes.
Okay.
Now listen and look. There is one example.
Okay, this is the example.
Which is Eva's brother?
Eva, which boy is your brother? Is he the boy in the brown jacket?
No, that's my cousin.
Is that your brother in jeans?
Yes, and he's wearing a hat.
Can you see the tick?
Okay,
Now
this is
you
the
listen
answer.
and tick the box.
Okay, let's start number 1.
1. What does Alex want?
Dad, do we have any fruit?
Yes, we do, Alex. Would you like a pear? Or some grapes?
No, thanks. Can I have an orange?
Yes, we've got lots of those. Here you
Okay.
are.
2. Where is Ben's tablet?
Oh no, I can't find my tablet.
Your new tablet? Is it on your bed, Ben?
No, and it's not on my desk.
There it is. It's on that chair.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, very good.
3. What is Bill's favourite animal?
Do you like hippos, Bill? They're okay.
Oh, I don't like them. I like crocodiles.
I don't. They're scary. Giraffes are my favorite.
No. Okay, next.
4. What is Alice doing?
What is Alice doing this morning? Is she playing tennis?
Not today.
So, is she playing hockey?
No, she's playing baseball in the park today.
5. Which is Kim's cat?
Oh, there's a beautiful black cat. Is it yours, Kim?
No, it's not. My cat has a black body, but its feet are white.
And is its tail white too?
No, it's gray. Look, there's my cat.
I am a smart
Now
boy.
listen to part 3 again.
Okay. Okay, so let's start. So let's start number 1. Okay. What does Alex want? Nam and Jang.
Alex, one orange.
Okay, very good. So Alex wants orange. Your answers is correct. Very good. Number 2. Where is Ben's tablet? Where?
It's on the chair.
Okay, very good. So we will use the preposition on because it is on the top of the chair. Very good. Next, what is Bill's favorite animal?
I think it's not correct.
What is your answer? It's?
My answer is crocodile.
Are you sure it's crocodile?
Yes.
Really? Let's listen to it again so that we can be
It's a
clear.
crocodile. I'm right.
Okay, let's listen for us to confirm.
Where is Ben's tablet?
Okay, after this.
Is it on your bed, Ben?
Okay, this one, number 3. Listen
3.
carefully. Listen carefully.
What is Bill's favourite animal?
Do you like hippos, Bill?
They're okay.
Oh, I don't like them. I like crocodiles.
I don't. They're scary. Giraffes are my favorite.
Okay, so what is Billy's favorite animal?
The giraffe.
Very good. So
Oh.
Billy said that giraffes. What did he said? Let us listen to it again.
Crocodiles.
I don't. They're
I
scary.
They're
Giraffes
scary.
are my favorite.
And giraffes are my favorite. So the answer here is Bill's favorite animal is giraffe. Yeah, it's okay. Next, number 4. What is Alice doing? What is Alice doing? What's that? Alice is playing. Playing
I
what?
have an idea.
What idea? Later. We only have 10 minutes. Let's finish this lesson so that we can play bamboozle
10
after.
And 10 minutes
Yeah, 10 minutes left. Next, what is Alice doing? Can you describe?
Alice
Alice is?
playing baseball.
Okay, very good. So Alice is playing baseball. And for the last one, which is Kim's cat?
The Kim's cat is
Us?
bright, tall, and white.
feet, and
gray tail.
okay, very good. So basically, this is Kim's cat. Has a black body, white feet, and gray tail. So very good.
Part
Okay.
3.
So next, so let's take a look at this picture. Do you know what is the name of this room, Nam and Jang?
This is living room.
Very good. It
It's
is
a living room.
a living room. How many children are there?
There are 3 children.
There are?
3.
Okay. Are you sure it's 4?
Yes.
Are you sure this is a child?
Yes.
A child or a doll?
A child.
This one is a child. Look, the girl is playing with it. Okay, this is a toy, not a child. So basically, there are, Nam is right. There are 3 children. And next, how many cars are there? Or how many cars can you see in the picture?
Are 2.
Are you sure?
3.
Okay, very good. There are 3. So this one, the green car, purple, and red. Okay, next, can you describe what you can see in the picture? Is it tidy or is it messy?
Messi.
Yeah,
Messi.
the room
Messi.
is
It's
messy.
Ronaldo. It's Ronaldo.
Ronaldo? Okay, now, can you tell teacher, what are the children doing? What are they doing in the picture?
Teacher. API.
That's
Play
a
toy.
tennis ball,
Play
right?
toy.
Is it a tennis ball? No. Okay, very good, Jang. So they are playing with their toys. How about Nam? Don't shut your brother. How about Nam? What are the child or what are the children doing in the picture? Nam, what are the children doing? Nam, what are they doing in the picture? So Jang said that they are playing with their toys. So good job. Okay. So next, how about their clothes? What are the color of their clothes? Nam and
It
Jang.
has yellow, blue, and green.
Okay. What is that? Is that the t-shirt or pants? Is that t-shirt or pants?
It's t-shirt.
Okay, very good. So they are wearing yellow, green, and blue t-shirts. How about their pants? What are the color of their pants?
The pen is red.
Are red. Very good. So we will use R. Red, what? Red, yellow, and brown.
Teacher.
And teacher. Okay, so next. Can you tell teacher where are the socks in the
sock is
picture?
on the TV.
On the TV. Very good. How about the other socks? Where are the other socks?
Is they are on the sofa. On the sofa.
On the sofa. Very good. How about the toys? Where are the toys?
It's many. The toys is in the toilet.
The toys is in the toilet?
Yes.
Really? Where is the toilet here? There is no toilet. The toys are on the table.
Teacher, only 4 minutes.
Yeah, so we will play bamboozle next time. Okay, next. Okay, let's proceed to the next part of our lesson. So you will match. Okay, this one. You will match each pictures.
Did you know this?
No. Later
It's
after.
in the remote.
I don't know. Okay, so for this one, so you will.
Bye-bye.
We still have 4 minutes. You will draw what is being said in the sentence. Like, for example, the lamp. Very good, Jang. The lamp is on the table. The sock is that a sock? The sock is on the foot. Next, the cat. Draw a cat. The cat is on the fence. Where is the cat? Okay, very good, Nam. There is the cat. Next, next is the car is on the road. Okay, wow, very good. Okay. Okay, so those are our, this is our preposition which is on. So we will use it to describe something is on the top of something. Very good. And, oh, this one. Next. So let's have another naming picture or name the picture. What is this, Nam and Jang? What's this?
It's a toilet.
Is it a toilet? Are you sure with your answer?
No.
What is it? Is it a toilet?
Mountain.
Huh? Mall? Is it a mall? Okay, we call it
I
as
don't know. I don't know this. I don't know.
we call it as mail. Mail. How about this one? What is this? What's this? The picture number 2. What is picture number 2? It is what we call as mountain. Mountain. Okay, so we will write letter M. How about this? What is this? What's this?
The umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good. It's umbrella. Okay, so does it starts with letter M, the word umbrella? Does it starts with the letter M? Hello.
No.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this, Nam and Ja? What's this?
The umbrella.
Huh? This one?
The mouse.
Okay, mouse. Is this the right spelling of mouse? Mouse?
No mouse.
Okay, so we spell it as M-O-U.
Oh, you.
Okay, very good, Nam. How about this? What is this?
I don't know.
This is what we call as mask. Does it starts with letter M?
This.
Okay, and the last one, what is this?
Tree.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So good job. Okay, so now let's draw something. So this one will be drawn by Nam and you will draw this, Jang. Okay? So for Nam, you will draw a ball on the table. For Jang, you will draw a cat under the table. Okay? Okay, draw. So this one is Nam. Nam, this one is for Jang. Draw here, Jang. Okay. Go. Okay, so next time we will play bamboozle next Tuesday. So make sure to review the prepositions on and under. Your cat has a lot of whiskers. Okay, wow, very good, Jang. The cat is under the table. How about Nam? Where is your table? Oh, Nam, you're not the one drawing. Not the cat. It's the ball. Ay, it's your brother drawing, huh? I
No.
can I can see your hands. It's your brother drawing, but it's
Wait.
okay. Uh, I can see your hand.
Wait, my brother is in here.
My brother is in here. Okay, so very good. The table or the ball is on the table. So okay. So make sure to practice each prepositions, Nam and Jang, because next
Okay.
time or next class we will play bamboozle.
Goodbye,
Okay?
teacher.
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you again. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.